Hello and a warm welcome to the Chit Chat show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. Today on our guest list is an actor, model, a self-obsessed dancer, and definitely a beauty queen. So let's welcome Srijita Banerjee and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Yes, she's there. Thankfully, she's there on time, so we don't have to wait for her, and we'll be joining with her soon. Yeah. Hi, Srijita. How are you doing?
Very much. I'm fine, fine. How are you, Asha?
I'm doing good too. It's so good to see you here.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell me
Very,
how.
very.
Yeah, you're looking very pretty, and tell me how's your lockdown period going on? क्या किया आपने ऐसा नया लॉकडाउन में? पहले हम बोलते थे कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, तो अब बहुत टाइम मिल गया, तो ऐसा आपने क्या किया?
You know what? As I am a dancer, I am a Kathak Visharad. So
Okay.
I choreograph so many dances.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
Solo dance and along with my younger daughter also.
हाँ.
And
Okay.
cooked new dishes and especially sweet dish.
अच्छा, तो आपने कोरियोग्राफ किए, बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स किए कोरियोग्राफ अपनी डॉटर के साथ. कौन कौन से सॉन्ग्स थे ये?
First of all, so that is the our hot cake. Boro Loker Beti.
Oh yes, yes, that's
That's
like.
not
हाँ.
that I choreographed for my daughter only. She did it.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, one more that Mukkala Mukabla. That
Uh-huh.
once when we were in our childhood, we used to
Yeah,
dance, na?
yeah,
So this I could with my daughter and
yeah.
Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi. That
Oh
song also.
yes,
Like
yes,
all
yes,
the
exactly.
song I'm memorizing and
I
I
have heard so much. मतलब मैंने ये जो आप बंगाली, it's a Bengali song, right? जो आपने first song बोला, कोड़ो लोको something something.
it's a Bengali song.
Yeah, so it is a beautiful song. Like वो पूरे सोशल मीडिया पे जहाँ भी आप कोई देखो वीडियो देखो तो उसी का वीडियो आता था. Like even I have seen that video. So it would be interesting कि आपने उसका कोरियोग्राफ करके उसके ऊपर डांस भी किया.
No, not me. I choreographed it for my daughter.
अच्छा.
And
Oh, okay.
she didn't wear that kind of red sari with long
Oh, like
hair.
Bengali sari,
Red,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, wow, amazing. So, like apart from this, मतलब आपने डांस तो किया है because you love dancing. So, apart from this, और कुछ आपने अपने टाइम को यूटिलाइज किया कहीं पे?
Yeah, exactly. I love cooking.
Okay.
And as last, in 2019, like I just travel and travel and travel.
Yeah,
Like,
good evening.
so
Okay.
I didn't give proper time at home.
Okay.
So this time I totally utilized in cooking, like no,
Yeah.
experimenting new dishes, especially sweet dishes. As
Oh,
you know, sweet
okay.
sounds close. We Bengalis are fond of sweet.
Yeah, yeah. तो आप भी like you also have got sweet tooth. तो आपने मीठे में क्या क्या बनाया? रसगुल्ला या फिर
हाँ, हाँ, बनाया रसगुल्ला बनाया, गुलाब
okay.
जामुन बनाई,
Oh wow.
एक बंगाली संदेश वो ट्राई
Yes,
किया.
I love that. Yes, amazing.
And one is specialty of mine, that is पनीर का खीर.
हेलो अखिलेश जी. ओह अच्छा, ओके. सो पनीर से बनाया है वो आपने?
या पनीर से बनाई हूँ मैंने.
अच्छा. ओह
पनीर
ग्रेट, ग्रेट.
and custard than all shevai kheer and our Bengali especially kheer with rice. That is the almost every time we
राइट.
used to make.
तो आपने अपने इस लॉकडाउन को पूरा मीठा कर दिया. You have actually sweetened this lockdown. That's what I can say. Great. So tell me, like you are a title holder also, and आपने Mrs. Universe में participate किया था. So from where this journey started? कहाँ से ये journey start हुई? कैसा हुआ? Like how, who gave you this inspiration? और कहाँ से आपको ये thought आया कि I can also take part in this?
Actually, this was in me since my childhood.
Okay.
We
Okay.
तो but that time हम लोग कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि हम ऐसा
Yeah.
कभी जा सकते, like no, in the glamorous
Yeah.
world even I can
Yeah.
step out.
Right.
बट आई हर्ड के यहाँ पे कुछ जो हमारे यहाँ पे जो सिटी लेवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पैजेंट्स होते हैं, आई टू पार्ट इन दैट. इज मिसेस नवी मुंबई. And after, but I didn't win in Mrs. Navi Mumbai.
अच्छा, okay,
But then I participated Mrs. Raigarh. It is our
okay,
Raigarh district, and I
okay.
won that.
Oh, okay.
And that, even actually that time onwards, my daughters, especially my
Okay.
family supportive, but my
Yeah,
two daughters are
yeah,
too much supportive. Like,
yeah.
with their support, I am here today. Even all my colleagues, I was a teacher in Radley
Oh,
School. Since last
okay,
year. I just
okay,
graduated last year only.
okay.
So they all supported me a lot. Even always they support. They pushed me. You should go. You are born for no that
Wow.
line.
This
So
is
you should go for.
this is actually
Then
very amazing. Yeah.
I thought, then if I can win this, let's see if go for further one. Let's see.
Hello to
Then we
everyone.
have
Hello, thanks for joining. Just say hello to everybody. Hello, everybody is saying
hi,
hello,
hello
hello. So
to
we
my
can't,
my
yeah, we
friends,
can't
my
just
daughters,
say hello to all. So this is like, yeah. So,
everyone there.
yes, Srijita, I just wanted to ask, like, आप एक टीचर रही हैं, और आई एम श्योर कि बच्चों को कहीं ना कहीं टीचर के ऊपर क्रश होता है. सो डिड एनी आप क्या पढ़ाती थी? व्हाट यू
I was a teacher of grade 1 and 2,
ओके
and I was taking
ओके बहुत छोटे बच्चों के.
math and
ओके
science.
ओके बहुत ही छोटे बच्चों के. तो वो लाइक उनको क्या पता था आपने ये टाइटल विन किया है, या पेजेंट क्या होता है, या
Yeah, definitely. They are very fond of me, and I am still they are fond of them.
या या
All my classes I have taken
because I think
class.
grade 1 and grade 2 they adore their teacher. वो अपने टीचर को पेरेंट्स से भी ज्यादा टीचर को मानते हैं.
Exactly.
या
पेरेंट्स आके मुझे बोलते थे, मैम प्लीज आप एक बार बोल दीजिए कि ये
या
घर में स्टडी कर ले, वो कर लेगा. ओ माय गॉड, आपकी बात नहीं
या
मानता है.
या
ट्यूशन मेरे
या
बच्चे टीवी देखना है,
या
ट्यूशन जाना है, आप
या
एक बार बोल दिए. मतलब
या
एक्चुअली बच्चों के लिए टीचर होते ही है. इवन मैं
राइट
देखती हूँ
राइट
मेरे बच्चे को भी, टीचर्स उनके लिए सब बहुत खुश होते हैं, बहुत मायने
बहुत
रखते हैं.
इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. और अगर एक ब्यूटीफुल टीचर हो तो फिर सोने पे सुहागा. फिर टीचर सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट हो जाती है. So from there you participated in this, and then you have acted also in one of the Bengali movies. तो वो कैसे
Yeah,
आपको project? Yeah.
it is, you can say, I connected through Facebook, them.
Okay.
They
Okay.
asked me for, you do like to work with us. I'm telling you, it's not a very big budget movie,
Okay.
but
Okay.
yeah, it's good. Like, it was my first break.
Okay.
I acted in the Bengali
Okay.
movie, and the team was very good, very supportive.
Okay.
It was my first work. I need so many takes for my dialogues and all, and they supported me wholeheartedly.
Great. So, is there any chance like आपका nickname Payal है क्या? Like because many of the followers are
Yes,
saying that
yes,
Payal, she's my favorite teacher. Payal is my favorite. So I'm just wondering that we are talking to Srijita, and how come Payal people are saying?
exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So everybody is saying that like I think your brother is also here. So they are
Yeah,
complimenting you. That,
brother, he's my, I know him from here only.
okay. Great. Great.
Hello,
So
Arun ji. Hi, Shoikat. Just a minute, can I just
yeah.
say to hi to
Yeah.
him? Yeah. Yeah, hi, Shrikant, hi. My sister is also there.
Okay.
My father is also there. Like, the family is there only. They are watching me from the
Oh,
Kolkata.
that's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, and a warm welcome to all of you. Yeah. So let's continue with our chat. Tell me, like, you journey, you have done that. So post this, like, when you're talking about this, it was a gradual shift. You were a teacher, then you became a model, then
Yeah.
and you love dancing. So जो dance का passion है, वो where you see that, वो whether it has helped you, आप उसमें कहीं आगे जाना चाहती हैं?
आगे तो नहीं, like with dance I don't want to go forward, but obviously I participated in dance class when it was the first season of dance class
Yeah,
with Ritik
exactly.
Roshan.
Yeah,
Ritik Roshan,
yeah,
and
yeah,
that peak, that time I was very crazy for dance. Like, I would like to do something with dance and all. But
yeah,
when I participated, I got to know many things. I thought, okay, if I am coming for this competition, I need more. I need to groom up myself much more. I need
yeah,
my steps much more clear and sharp. I learned
Right.
a lot over there, but I qualified 3 rounds.
Right.
It was my both babies were so small that time, and
Okay.
I was very new in Mumbai, but very good. I have a food, that time. Ayushmann Khurrana visited that
Oh wow,
child,
amazing.
and I was
तो
with
आपका
him.
बहुत अच्छा टाइम गया है, you know, it's like you have participated also, so you have seen that, you know, so you know basically what your heart desires, you know, which way your heart
Exactly.
is going, right? So you're talking about your daughters, you know, your daughters, I'm sure they must have supported you, and you know all these platforms, अगर आप डांस में भी गई होंगी तो उनको, you know, they must be very proud of you, you know, saying that, you know, my mother is,
Actually, they are.
yeah. So how
They are.
old are they? How old are they?
My younger daughter is in just sixth standard,
Okay.
and the elder one just has passed her 10th exam, 10th board, CBSE board.
Oh, okay. But you don't look like, you know, mother of two big, like, you know, daughters. That's definitely a very big compliment for you. So,
Thank you.
yeah. So apart from that, you know, what do you love to do with them? Like, you know, apart from choreographing their songs and all, what do you love to do with them?
With them, no, but as I told you, मेरी छोटी बेटी dance में बहुत she
Achhi.
like dance.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
my elder one got one of my thing, that is she love to draw, paint,
Okay.
art
Oh,
and all.
okay. She's an
So
artist.
she utilized her total this lockdown, just her
Yeah.
exam over in the date 18th March,
Okay.
22nd March onward it was lockdown,
Yeah.
and she utilized totally, like every day she
Wow.
used to draw something else, this and that. She
Yeah.
made so many drawing paintings. Well, me too, with her I did
Acha. Great.
50
अभी आई
paintings.
थिंक 10th का आपने बोला तो 10th का तो रिजल्ट भी आ गया है, राइट? सो हाउ आई एम श्योर शी मस्ट हैव फेयर्ड वेरी नाइसली इन दैट. तो यू नो आई
Yeah,
वुड लाइक.
she got 93%.
Oh wow, amazing. So you know I would like to see some. Do you have any of the paintings जो उसने बनाई है या आपने बनाई है? I would definitely love to see, and you know even our viewers also. Wow, this she has made.
Yeah, she has made.
Wow,
Honestly, she has made.
wow. Just see. I mean, this is
She,
so beautiful.
and this is the first show of Rob's
I
that
couldn't make out like ये हाथ से बनाया गया, मुझे ये डिजिटल लग
yeah,
रहा है.
ये paper है, and
Wow.
these are the colors she has made. I'm showing you one more,
Yeah.
and this she has made.
Oh, super.
I
Harry
It's
Potter.
her
Oh,
hero,
wow.
dream hero.
She is a very good artist. Amazing. Like, you know, I just can't believe कि इतने, like, you know, she has made that, you know. This looks digital. Actually, ऐसे जो digitally जो painting होती है वैसा लग रहा है.
Yeah, and these are the sketches and all.
Wow. She definitely is an artist. Amazing.
She would like to go something like with this sketches and all
Future में.
in future.
Right. Right. See, people are saying that she is talented like her mother. You know,
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
you
thank
also,
you.
you are also talented, you also an artist, you know, you also, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि मल्टी फेसेस पर्सनालिटी होता है ना, लाइक बहुत सारी चीजों में करके, एंड दैट टू यू नो गुड इन ऑल ऑफ देम, यू नो. आप एक अच्छी मदर हैं, एक अच्छी डांसर हैं,
I
यू
think
नो, एक्टर. या.
show you something. Can you see this?
Amazing. Wow.
I have made.
You have made this. Definitely she has got this talent from you then. Wow.
This
Wow.
is my latest one.
This
I
one
would
is
like
the
to.
ओके. सो यू नो आपने मतलब सब बहुत सारे टैलेंट जिसे बोलते हैं ना भगवान ने आपके अंदर दे दिए हैं. यू नो आप डांसर भी हैं, आप बहुत अच्छी आर्टिस्ट हैं, you are a good teacher also. You know, you are all your students are telling you this online that you were a great teacher.
My
So
students love me a lot. No.
yeah, and
Hi.
you know,
Yeah,
yeah, so
she's telling
everybody,
she's.
yeah. So everybody is saying that you know you are multi-talented, and so from here, like you know, I want to know about your childhood. You know, when we go, people are saying that your childhood was in Kolkata, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Don't
people
ask
are
me.
saying that Kolkata is missing you.
I am the naughtiest naughtiest child in my school, in my
Is it?
colony, everywhere.
Is it?
The naughty
Like,
one, like no girly thing in me.
yeah. Okay.
Honestly, I'm saying no. You couldn't find any girly things when in my childhood. I used to like
Okay.
fight and all,
Yeah.
cycling.
Yeah. You were a
Uh,
tomboy.
और उतना बैठना मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड सब लड़के थे.
Acha.
Even I can
Oh.
tell you the name.
Yeah.
One of them is Shumon, Saurav,
Okay.
Shubham, Debraj,
Yeah.
Shomiran.
Yeah.
He's a very good photographer nowadays. Like they are my very close friends, and
Okay.
none of a girl was my friend till second standard. I'm telling you.
तो
I
तो
didn't.
क्या करते
I,
थे ऐसी मस्ती में क्या करते थे लाइक यू वर अ टॉमबॉय सेल्फ कन्फेस टॉमबॉय तो क्या करते थे
मुझे
व्हाट यूज्ड टू डू
मुझे दौड़ना खेलना कूदना बहुत पसंद था मुझे लाइक नो बट तब हम खेलते भी थे बहुत ज्यादा फील्ड में और जो आउटडोर गेम्स होता था मुझे बहुत मजा आता था साइकिलिंग करना इवन साइकिलिंग ऑल्सो आई लर्न माई सेल्फ बाई किसी ने मुझे
अच्छा
हेल्प नहीं किया साइकिल चलाने में
अच्छा
सीखने में
अच्छा सो क्या क्या ऐसी मस्ती करते थे लाइक कुछ आपको एक या दो इंस्टेंसेस याद हैं जहाँ पे आपने बहुत मस्ती करी और उसके बाद आपको कहीं ना
अ,
कहीं उसके लिए डांट पड़ी या पिटाई हुई कुछ ऐसी याद है आपको I think there were some internet issues. We will connect with her soon. You there? Hello. Yeah, we there were some internet issues in between. So
yeah, yeah,
I would
yeah.
yeah. So I would like to like repeat the question. Like we want to know about your childhood. जो किस्से
डांट
बोलते हैं ना.
पड़ती थी
जी जी.
डांट पड़ती थी टेलिंग यू आई वाज वेरी मच अफ्रेड ऑफ कॉकरोच अभी भी हूँ कम हो गया थोड़ा
हम्म
तो एक घर में ऐसे एक ड्रम था पहले के जमाने होते ना बड़े बड़े ड्रम
हम्म.
उसमें वो कोल्स वगैरह हुआ रहता था तो
Right.
मेरे अंकल जो करते थे ना मुझे लेके उसमें अंदर घुसा देते थे आई वाज स्मॉल तो मैं बाहर नहीं आ पाती थी और
हाँ.
लाइक आई यूज्ड टू शाउट इवन मुझे अभी तक याद है मैं इतना 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 चिल्लाती थी लाइक के मुझे बाहर निकालो और मुझे उसके अंदर मैं
मतलब वो
सब लोग देख पाते
पनिशमेंट के तौर पे आपको उसके अंदर डाल दिया जाता था या ऐसे ही मस्ती में
थे पनिशमेंट इट वाज माय पनिशमेंट
ओके सो आप जो मस्ती करती
and
थी
my daddy used to scold all of them क्यों तुम लोग ऐसे करते हो मेरी बच्ची के साथ तुम लोग उसको निकालो मेरी जान चली जाएगी उसको निकालो and because I am the one and only
Yeah.
like no at my home that time तो ऐसे होता था
Okay.
डांट बहुत पड़ी है but my school teachers never didn't
अच्छा
scold me I'm telling you मेरे
Yeah.
स्कूल टीचर्स जो थी कभी मुझे नहीं डांटी never
ओके ओके नो डेफिनेटली आई एम श्योर लाइक जहाँ पे व्हेन यू रियलाइज ये सब चीजें जब होती है तो टीचर्स कहीं ना कहीं दे हैव देयर सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर्स फॉर ऑल द किड्स जनरली एंड वो वही शायद आपके अंदर भी है तो आपके जो जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स है दे आर सेइंग दैट स्टिल दे आर कंटिन्यूइंग विद द मैसेजेस दैट यू आर द बेस्ट टीचर सो वी कैन इमेजिन कि आप जो जिस तरह से उनको प्यार करते थे दे आर लविंग यू बैक so that's amazing
yeah
so so tell me like what are your future projects
my future projects are like I have few movies in my hand right now and waiting the lockdown will be over एक बार lockdown open हो जाए then even I received offer for Bengali serials also
oh
so
nice
movies पहले या serials पहले
yeah
so that is my ultimate no dream you can say
yeah
see and I'll go
what
for
what
that.
is what is that you love the most being on the ramp being on the set being at school being as a dancer you said that you didn't enjoy much so what is
It's a very tough question.
so but generally something that you wake up in a day and you feel यार ये चीज मुझे करनी है ऐसा कुछ
Yeah, that is the ultimate dream I told you. That's the acting in a
Yeah.
project
Okay.
big band,
Okay.
and that the thing gave me so highlight, that is the RAM.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I love,
Yeah.
like, it is now,
Yeah.
like, I'm used with RAM. If
Yeah.
you will give me, if you will, like, put me any kind of RAM with any kind of dress,
Yeah.
I will just, oh,
तो इज इट लाइक
work okay.
आपके स्कूल जहाँ भी आप पढ़ाती थी उन्होंने आपको बुलाया लाइक आफ्टर विनिंग दिस टाइटल एंड यू नो आपने रैंप वॉक किया, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट आया आपके साथ?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि तब तक मैं स्कूल में थी,
अच्छा.
लाइक
ओके.
करने का नौबत ही नहीं आया. इट वाज इन द मंथ ऑफ मे लास्ट ईयर.
ओके.
एंड आफ्टर मे, लाइक इट वाज मे में हॉलीडे होता है ना, समर वैकेशन.
राइट.
तो तब ये शो हो गया. इट वाज इन दिल्ली.
ओके.
And it was my first journey when I traveled alone. Alone,
Okay.
I went to Delhi. And family came afterward on the very day of show. So,
Okay.
but obviously, my principal, Swati ma'am, she gave her, best wishes for me before going. Even after winning, they gave me a huge,
Yeah.
respect and everything. Like,
Yeah.
it's a
So
very good thing that.
yeah, obviously being felicitated by आपके जो जहाँ भी आप काम करते हैं वहाँ पे अगर आपको वो felicitation मिले तो उससे अच्छा कुछ भी नहीं है. It is something like you feel that this place, everybody, the love that you have given, you are getting
I
that
told
love
you,
back.
exactly. I told you that few, like, few colleagues were there, and they are very close to me, like, Varsha Iyer ma'am,
Yeah.
like, मेरी coordinator जो थे, Mitash ma'am, and they are very close to me, and they always supported me कि we should go. And in between, I won Navi Mumbai Dance Queen. It happened in the year
Oh.
of 2018. When I
Okay.
got to know कि it's going on, so let's participate. Then, like, I always think something should going on in your life, like
Yes.
activity होना चाहिए.
होना ही चाहिए. And it should keep, you should keep on moving. कहीं ना कहीं जो ये जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, they make you learn. This is the process of learning in this life. और आपने इतने सारे किए. तो tell me, like, your dream is to act. So is there any particular role जो आप you think that it should be that I should do this?
Role.
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. I didn't get you again, please.
I said आपने जैसे आपको एक्टिंग का like acting is your ultimate dream. So कोई रोल है ऐसा जो कभी आपने like किसी मूवी में देखा और आपने सोचा यार ये रोल तो मुझे करना चाहिए?
हाँ. First, if I'll say कि I would like to act like a police inspector. If I'll get what Rani Mukherjee did in
Yes.
in Mardani 1.
Mardani 1 and 2.
I just love it, the character in Mardani 1.
Yeah.
I just love the character.
Yeah.
And three characters I love most.
Yeah.
Secondly, her movie only. The last one, that Hitchki.
Hitchki, yeah.
The teacher who is
teacher.
upbringing teacher who is making those students make giving high to them. Those kind of students, जब जो उनमें जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, उनको एक like that character, I'm getting goosebumps.
Yeah. So basically all these characters.
One more thing, one more character is there, that is in Kahani 1, that Vidya Balan has.
Vidya Balan, yes.
And
what I have felt is all these characters are close to your heart. Why? Because कहीं ना कहीं आपने इनकी लाइफ को जिया है और या आप इससे कनेक्ट कर सकती हैं. You were a tomboy, बचपन में tomboy थी तो इसलिए आपको वो पुलिस वाला वो बनना है.
मुझे वो मानसिक वाला बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, so you were a teacher, so आपको वो टीचर वाला आपको लगता है. और आप बंगाली हैं और बंगाल में पली बड़ी है तो आप उससे उस कैरेक्टर से भी आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं. So
I love detective things. I love to always want
hello,
to.
Hello, Jiten, thank you for joining. Hello, yeah.
Jigan sir, hello Jigan sir. Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah. Please continue.
Yeah. So even what I must know you have heard about Satyajit Ray.
Yeah. Obviously, we all have heard. Yeah.
Yeah. उनका एक character है, that is Feluda.
Okay.
A famous detective character. Okay. And what all the stories, short stories, big stories about him, about Satyajit Ray had written. I read it. मुझे
Okay.
थ्रिलर स्टोरीज, मुझे डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज बहुत अच्छा लगता, इवन
बहुत
ब्योमकेश
अच्छा.
बख्शी, आई
Oh
जस्ट
yes,
लव इट,
yes, yes, exactly.
लव होम्स,
Yeah, yeah. So
आई
you
लव
know
दिस
we
स्टैंडर्ड.
got it something which has जिसके अंदर एक स्टोरी हो, जिसके अंदर कुछ आपका कैरेक्टर स्ट्रांग हो. इस कैरेक्टर ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स आपको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. अमेजिंग. एंड वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट कि आपको ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स मिले और ये इस तरह से करें. सो टेल मी हाउ इज दिस जर्नी, लाइक आप एक जैसे टॉमबॉय रही हैं और उसके बाद एकदम एक feminine जिसे बोलते हैं ना, winning a title, being a teacher, being this thing. So have you seen those changes, like पहले ऐसा होता था कि आपको एकदम rough and tough बन के घूमना अच्छा लगता, then you loved girly stuff and all that, ऐसा हुआ, like
हाँ, ऐसा मतलब ये बहुत दिन तक नहीं हुआ. आई एम टेलिंग यू लाइक सेकेंड थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड तक
okay,
हुआ.
okay,
आई टुक एडमिशन इन अ गर्ल्स स्कूल,
okay,
फोर्थ फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड आई रेन इन अ
yeah,
गर्ल्स स्कूल.
yeah,
और उसके बाद वो सारे गली जो होता है ना कि हाँ हमें
yeah,
सभी
all the talks,
गर्ल
girly
गली
talks, yeah,
गर्ल,
yeah, yeah,
हाँ गली टॉक्स भी नहीं, मतलब उतना मेरे फ्रेंडशिप सबके साथ नहीं होता था.
हाँ,
But just slowly I come to sixth standard, seventh standard. Then even
yeah,
my best friend is here also over here.
okay.
She is with me since my sixth standard. Shravanti,
Oh
she is
wow,
here only,
okay,
watching my video show. And तो धीरे धीरे ये चेंजेस हो गया,
yeah,
मतलब एंड इन दिस थिंग आई टूक दिस पाथ एज अ चैलेंज कि
yeah,
नहीं, मुझे
yeah,
कुछ करके दिखाना.
yeah,
ड्रीम शुड बी देयर इन योर
yeah,
लाइफ, ऐसे ही
very true.
मतलब लाइफ जीना
And
जाता है.
there is no age for dreams. You should just continue, आपको करते रहना है. You never know what is going to come tomorrow. We might even see you with some other passion, with doing something else
Yeah,
also.
actually, when I got to know that Diwalicious company, Mrs. Sorry, Mr. Naresh Madan is organizing this show.
Yeah,
It was the third or fourth session of them.
yeah,
So I thought no, मैं घर में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन किया तो
yeah,
husband told okay, if you would like to go now you can go.
yeah,
But थोड़ा सोच लो,
yeah,
because no, you have to pay a register, no,
yeah,
amount of money.
yeah,
देख लो आगे जाके इससे कुछ फायदा होगा कि नहीं.
yeah,
Then I took this as a challenge. Now I would like to show कि इससे मुझे फायदा होगा कि नहीं.
yeah,
And so the result is here.
yeah. See, that's
And
what
thanks
you
to
should,
my firefighter, thanks to Naresh Madan sir. He,
yeah.
like I won his program.
So the
And
saying,
then
so the saying is true that you should follow your heart.
yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. And wholeheartedly ऐसा है ना कि जो इस चीज को दिल से चाहो, मतलब दुनिया भी कायनात भी मिला रहता है तुमसे
yeah,
मिलाने के लिए. Some dialogue is
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan's dialogue.
He
Yeah,
just heartedly prayed that I will win this national crown, and it was a very very big dream,
yeah.
and the dream came true.
Definitely, definitely. And once again, please say hi to all of them because बीच बीच में सब बोल रहे हैं. Please हमें hi बोल दीजिए. तो आप
So
एक बार
hi, hi Arunji, hi Arunji, thank you so much for hi Vinayak, hi Shoikat, Rimi, hi Rimi, Vidisha, hello Rakesh ji, Jiten sir, thank you Jiten sir so much for joining us.
Yeah.
Babi, hi Babi, my father is there.
Oh,
My full
great.
family is.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
Uh,
So
and if I am not taking anybody's name, please don't mind, please,
yeah,
because
please don't mind. So
hi Nandita.
it's like a hello to all of you. Again,
हाँ,
ये generally
हाँ,
होता नहीं है
hi,
because
Khairia,
everybody
hi.
is like everybody wanted to say hello. So that's again like that's the reason मैंने
I
बीच में आपको बोला.
would- one more thing that I would like to take one name is who put a very big role in my life.
Okay.
That is my sister, come best friend, come friend, whatever you can say. That is Meet Kaur.
Okay.
I met her in the journey in the same Mrs. India Universe, and she is the girl for whom like I can say me I am a successful model within a year itself.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
my proper home is very far from Kolkata. It's not exactly in Kolkata.
Okay.
So whenever I used to go to Kolkata, I used to stay at her home. Like it's my home. मैंने बिंदास रहो, बिंदास खाओ पियो रहो, and she never put a single kind of no, and she make me so much comfortable with her family.
Yeah.
okay, that
Yeah.
it's my second home. It's my second home. I'm always saying, and she is a girl. आज की तारीख में कोई भी स्पेशली गर्ल्स को इतना ज्यादा हेल्प
Yeah.
कभी नहीं करती. Never I have
I
seen.
agree.
And
Yeah.
she is the girl who
Yeah.
like I try. she
Oh,
मतलब
wow.
आज की तारीख में अपने अपनों को इतना नहीं करते
Yeah.
जो उसने मेरे लिए किया. It's like
Yeah.
my heart thanks to her family, to her. Even she's also
Yeah.
here. She told me to do this, that, and always she is behind me.
Yeah, that's great, you know. And I would just say that ki, you know, these kind of people, you know, like, you know, these kind of people are the ones, you know, who are there as your backbone, you know. कहीं ना कहीं आपकी सक्सेस में इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, because you know all is
बहुत
there.
बड़ा.
Yeah, you know, everything is like, you know, motivation, you know, giving that support. और अगर कोई एक जना भी ऐसा हो आपकी लाइफ में, तो डेफिनेटली यू नो यू गेट दैट पुश, यू नो, जो आपको चाहिए होता है, यू नो, यू ऑलवेज फील दैट. सो यू नो,
Exactly.
आपने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें करी, उसके बीच में बहुत सारे ये लोग ने हमें जानकारी दी है कि आप बहुत अच्छी सिंगर भी हैं. सो यू नो,
Oh, who said? No. I am not a singer.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला है कि आप बहुत अच्छी सिंगर हैं, और ये हमें पता चल गया है विश्वसनीय सूत्रों के द्वारा. तो आप प्लीज एक गाना सुना दीजिए जाते जाते.
अगर ये बंगाली
anything, Bengali, English, doesn't matter, you know,
हो तो I hope
language doesn't
if it is a
matter.
Bengali
आप
song,
कुछ भी सुनाइए. Yeah, yeah.
some sound problem. Okay. Then I would like to sing a Bengali song.
Yeah, surely.
A song written by Rabindranath Tagore. I love his, like, no, his song
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah.
I danced on this song
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে.
Well, this is a universal song and we all have heard this. This is a beautiful song and you sang beautifully. बहुत ही प्यारा song है, बहुत ही प्यारी आवाज है आपकी. You should continue with all your passions, जो भी आपके passions है, singing, dancing, you know, and acting. You should just continue with that. And any just a message that you want to give to your fans and followers, जितने भी लोग ये देख रहे हैं.
उनको यही कहना है कि किसी चीज को अगर करना है, अगर दिल से चाहते हो तो श्योरली यू शुड गो फॉर दैट. आगे जाना चाहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहो. कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. अगर खुद की ड्रीम कंप्लीट करना हो तो यू ऑलवेज हमेशा उसके लिए करना चाहिए. लोग क्या बोलेंगे, लोग क्या करेंगे, इसके बारे में बिल्कुल मत सोचिए.
Very true, very
और
true. Just do
इन
not.
COVID-19 थोड़ा सेफ रहिए.
Yeah. So very true. Just follow your heart. Just don't think about people, because these people जो आपको मैटर करते हैं वो आपका सपोर्ट करेंगे, और जो आपको मैटर नहीं करते वो किसी भी चीज में खुश नहीं होंगे, no matter what. So you know, that was a beautiful meeting with you and knowing you as a person. And thank you so much for coming online and, you know, sharing all these thoughts and your time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dream Chaser Media Production. Thank you, Asha. We had a very good time, a great time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And have you know, all the best wishes to your future projects and, you know, all the things that you want to do in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.